the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is generating massive hype, and for a good reason. With cutting-edge advancements, a sleek new design, and powerful internals, this could be the foldable phone that changes the game forever. If you've been waiting for the ultimate foldable experience, this might just be it. Ultra-thin design, a game changer? One of the biggest leaks surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its ultra-thin profile. According to trusted sources, Samsung is finally addressing one of the long-standing issues of its foldable series, thickness. The new Z Fold 7 is rumored to be slimmer than ever, making it easier to carry while still packing a punch in terms of performance. However, there might be a catch. To achieve this sleek form factor, Samsung might have to make compromises, particularly in the S Pen department. Unlike the Galaxy S Ultra series, which has a built-in S Pen slot, the Z Fold lineup has always relied on external accessories. Could this mean the end of S Pen support for the Fold? While nothing is confirmed yet, Samsung might offer a redesigned stylus experience that better suits the foldable form factor. Display and crease improvements. Samsung has been refining the foldable display with each generation, and the Z Fold 7 is no exception. The biggest concern for many users has always been the display crease. Reports suggest that Samsung has made significant strides in reducing the crease to the point where it's barely visible under normal usage. While it may not be completely eliminated, this is a huge step forward in making foldables more seamless. Brightness levels are expected to remain at 2,600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The external display will also maintain a 120 Hz refresh rate for a smooth experience. This means whether you're using the phone folded or unfolded, you're in for a premium visual experience, powerful internals, and performance upgrades. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process for better efficiency and performance. Here's what you can expect. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite 7-core, with 64-bit architecture. Clock speed: 2 prime cores at 4.32 GHz, 5 performance cores at 3.53 GHz. Cooling: an advanced vapor chamber cooling system to manage heat better. This setup ensures that even with a slimmer design, performance remains top-notch. The improved thermal management should help prevent overheating, a common issue in foldables. Camera upgrades: a photography powerhouse. Samsung is taking camera performance to new heights with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The device is rumored to feature 200MP primary sensor, 4 ultra-detailed shots, 12MP ultra-wide lens to capture more in a single frame, 50MP 3x telephoto lens for crisp zoomed-in shots. With these camera upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could rival traditional flagship phones, making it a true all-in-one device for photography enthusiasts. Battery and charging. What to expect? Battery life has always been a concern for foldables, but Samsung is addressing this with a 4,800 mAh battery. Paired with improved efficiency from the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the battery should last longer than previous generations. Fast charging and wireless charging support will also be included, ensuring you spend less time plugged in. Production and pricing. A strategic move. Samsung is reportedly scaling back foldable production, planning to manufacture only 5 million units of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 combined. This is a significant decrease from previous expectations, likely due to shifting market trends. Pricing details suggest Galaxy Z Fold 7, $1,899. Galaxy Z Flip 7, $1,099. Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, $799, a more budget-friendly foldable option. The introduction of a Fan Edition model could be a strategic move to make foldables more accessible to a broader audience. What's next for foldables? Samsung's future plans include not only refining the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip series, but also possibly introducing a brand new foldable model. With competitors like Google and OnePlus entering the foldable space, Samsung needs to stay ahead with innovation and affordability. Final thoughts. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most refined foldables yet. With a sleeker design, improved displays, a more powerful processor, and a top-tier camera system, Samsung is pushing the boundaries once again. The only question that remains is, will it be worth the price tag? What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Will you be upgrading? Let us know in the comments.